I've been selling digital products for over a decade, and in that time, I have been exposed and tested and tried hundreds of digital products. And I'm going to show you 6 that are actually worth selling today, okay? Because a lot of them are actually pretty much junk, right? And you don't want to sell junk to people. I've made almost $3 million selling digital products, and I think it's one of the best, but you have to sell good quality stuff. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to jump on my computer so that you can see exactly which ones you can sell as well. So in no particular order, right? This is called Digital Wealth Academy. It is a very, very popular digital marketing program. It's going to teach you how to learn to become a digital product seller, to basically take somebody else's program and use it for yourself, and then you can make 100% commissions. Okay, this is called MRR, and essentially it's run by this lady right here. She's huge on Instagram. They've made tens of millions of dollars. They've got hundreds of thousands of students, and it's actually a really, really cool program. Now, they focus a lot on women, but you don't have to be a lady in order to promote this. And I think that if you want to start selling digital products and you don't want to build it yourself, and you want a platform where you can just kind of take what they have, rebrand it for yourself, learn how to do it on social media, because that's what you're going to be doing a lot of, then you can check this one out. It's called digitalwealthacademy.com. Now, all of the digital programs that I'm going to show you, unfortunately, you're going to have to pay for them. Okay, so sometimes the best ones out there, you're going to have to buy, right? There are some affiliate products where they're free. Actually, there are a lot of affiliate products that you can just go to a network and go and grab them, and they're free to sell. But I think that the best ones are the ones that you have to pay for. Okay, so don't be cheap on your journey to greatness, because sometimes you have to purchase the product in order to understand it and then get the rights to resell it. And Digital Wealth Academy is one of those. All right, so you want to write that one down. Another one is called the 7-Figure Accelerator. This is by Philip Johansson. He is originally from Denmark. This guy does like $1-2 million a month. Okay, he is, he used to be a plumber, and he basically has a system where you can reuse his system. So this is the exact system, right? I've got his system. I paid $2,500 for the system. So again, it costs $2,500 to get his program, but you can reuse his system, and he teaches you how to drive a lot of traffic from TikTok and Instagram mainly, right? Back into his system, and then his team in the background will do the selling for you. All right, so it kind of looks like this, and the training is really great, honestly, right? And he's got, again, hundreds and thousands of students. He's done very, very well. He lives in Dubai, and this is also a digital training program where you can use the system, but at the same time, there's a lot of good training in the background to teach you how to market it as well. Okay, so you can check this one out. It's called 7-Figure Accelerator, right? Hey, just real quick, if you're here right now, I just want to remind you that I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to show you how to make money. And if that's what you're after, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Another one is called Online Profit Secrets. This is by a lady called Fran, right? She's huge on Instagram. She does about $200,000 a month. Very, very successful marketer as well, okay? And her system is similar to Digital Wealth Academy, all right? So you can grab the system, you can reuse it for yourself. She also has a technology in the background called Captivation Hub, right? Which you would need to pay for. But basically, this hub is used to create funnels and for you to create marketing pages and things like that. A lot of success stories, a lot of training, and you can see right here, look, you can build websites, funnels, automations, forms, surveys, calendar pipelines. So it's training plus technology combined into one. Very, very cool. So if you want to, resell this as well, you also have to own it. Okay, so every single thing that I'm showing you right here, unfortunately, you have to own to resell as well. Okay, so just so that you know. So another one is called Creator College. This is by Junyu. Junyu is huge on Instagram. He's got over 5 million followers. Currently, he's doing his storytelling content, but the one that he's actually famous for is Creator College. Now, his Creator College program is $5,000, so it's not cheap, okay? But he basically teaches you how to go from zero to creating basically a massive following on Instagram, generating a lot of views, generating a lot of leads, and then selling your own product in the back end, all right? And he's the real deal. I mean, this guy has been around for a while. If you just check him out, Junyu, on Instagram, you've probably even seen him, right? I'm actually going through his storytelling challenge right now, and this guy is just a master, okay? So again, if you want to resell it, you're gonna have to own it. It's not the cheapest thing out there, but sometimes the best things aren't that cheap, all right? So just understand that, okay? So that's another one that I think that's worth selling. Here's another one by, again, another master storyteller. His name is Mino. He's also huge on Instagram. Maybe you've seen him, right? Mino Lee. He's on TikTok. He's on Instagram. He's a great storyteller. This guy's a young lad, but just really figured out how to grow his business. He does about $200,000+ a month. Really, just crazy success. And he teaches you how to create really great storytelling content, how to drive a lot of leads, how to build products, how to become a great creator as well. And you can, check his program out at start.contentacademy.io if you want to check him out, right? See, a lot of these guys that I'm showing you, these are people that you don't naturally find on networks. And that's important to understand, okay? Because not everybody's going to be on a network, right? Sometimes you find low quality products on the network, but because I've been doing this for so long, I'm exposed to a lot of different creators who really know their stuff, okay? And the guys that really know their stuff, a lot of the time they don't sell their products on the networks. You just have to kind of find them on Instagram or TikTok and YouTube, and sometimes they've got an affiliate program, okay? So if you want to get into digital selling, then these are some of the people that you can follow, right? I also have my own program, okay? It's called The Invincible Marketer. If you don't know, you can check it out at theinvinciblemarketer.com. This is one of the pages right here. And basically what I teach is I teach you exactly how I went from 0 to almost $3 million in sales, how I've worked with 3,500 people, and literally inside of my program, I go through everything A to Z, how to pick your niche, how to pick your product, how to build out a simple sales funnel that actually, converts, how to generate traffic through Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, how to do paid ads. We show you everything, okay? So again, not a super expensive program, $67 a month. It's probably the cheapest program out of all these programs out here. But look, all of them are great, right? So you can, rewatch this video if you want and have a look and see which one tickles your fancy. But I have tested and I've bought and I have tried hundreds of digital products, right? And some of them are just really, really junky. So it just depends on what kind of stuff you want to sell. But if you want to sell good stuff, the list that I just showed you right here, and I urge you to rewatch this video again, save this, rewatch it again, write the names down. These are some of the best digital content creators in the space at this particular time, okay? Obviously, it's a little bit self-serving. I'm showing you my program, but, I've been around since, this program has been around since 2019. We have helped hundreds and thousands of people to change their lives and learn marketing online. So if you want to check me out, you can, or you can check any of these guys out. Again, Digital Wealth Academy, 7-Figure Accelerator, Online Profit Secrets, Creator College, Content Academy with Mino, and then me here with The Invincible Marketer as well. All right. Hope you got some value from this particular video right now. If you want to leave some comments, let me know what you thought. If you got some value from it, give me some thumbs ups. And if you're like, Aaron, well, how do I get a hold of this program? If you want to check me out, right? First of all, you can get my free masterclass. It's a free 2-hour training where I show you how we do everything inside of this program, right? You can just check it out in the content, in the comment section below. Or if you just want to check out the program itself, it's theinvinciblemarketer.com. I'll leave it in the description as well. Wish you all the best, and I will see you very soon. Take care.